Hey guys, welcome to the Nate Take. My name is Nathan. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace your taillight housing. Mine's broken, so let's fix that. Now lucky for us, this is a very simple fix and it's very easy. But did you know that if you take this to a dealer or a mechanic and ask them to change them for you, they're going to charge you, depending on the year of your truck, between $100 and $1,200 per side? That's right, it can be stupid expensive. And I'm going to show you just how easy it is. So we're going to bring you in, you're going to drop your tailgate, grab your favorite toolkit. I'm personally checking out this one here by Ego Fix. Got it off of Amazon. You can find the link down below if you need one. Open it up, and you only need one tool out of here. And that is an 8mm socket. And of course the wrench. You can use an 8mm open end wrench. Now, the other thing is if you do not have a metric, where are we? 5/16. But I'm going to use 8mm because that's what I grabbed first. Alright, so now you just need to take off two bolts. This bolt and this bolt. The hardest part is now done. So the next part is going to be difficult or hard depending on how dirty your truck is, how old it is, and whether or not they've ever been off before. If yours is not very well stuck, you should be able to just grab it and pull it off. There you go, you see? So now I pulled, one side came loose, so I'm going to put my fingers back here and just pull the top off. Now we want to be careful as we're pulling this out because there are wires that go to your actual taillight bulbs and they can hang up like mine are doing. Okay, so now we need to disconnect the wires going to our bulbs. Just press down on the tab and it should pull loose. Now the connectors of mine just don't want to come off because there's too much dirt and gunk. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab the actual bulb housing here. We're just going to twist it until it pulls out. And do the same to this one. And now this is your taillight housing. So that's how quick and simple it was to take it out. Now we just reverse the process in order to put the new one back in. I buy my new ones off of Amazon. They are equivalent to the OEM parts that you can get from Ford, and they're a hell of a lot cheaper. This here's the brand new one. So let's go ahead and install it on the truck. All right, so your new lights will come with plastic covering the light bulb holes. You're gonna need to peel that off. And then remember that the green light, the one with the green connector, goes on the very bottom. Twist it right in place. And then same for the black one. So our bulbs are attached. Now before we click it in, I'm going to peel the plastic off the outside, just so we don't have pieces get stuck. And then you just line it up and just give it a tap. We're almost done. Now let's just put those two bolts in and we'll be done with this side. And that's how you change the taillight housing on your Ford F-150. It's super simple, it's super easy. I think the taillight housings were about 30 or 40 bucks on Amazon. I'll have a link down below. I'll put the price up here on the screen so you can know it for sure. And like I said, they're the same quality as OEM. You don't need to buy the OEM ones. They're going to be more expensive, especially on the newer trucks. They get ridiculously expensive. On some of the top level trim models, they can be up to $1,000 or more for just the blank housing, nothing inside of it. That's kind of ridiculous. So save yourself some money, do it yourself. Buy aftermarket if you can. This is a non-critical component. It's not a mechanical thing that will, if it breaks, you'll crash. So I don't have no problem going aftermarket on this. Engine stuff, I'm gonna go Ford Motorcraft all day long because that's what has been proven for at least for my particular year model. But stuff like this, aftermarket is the way to go. There's no need to pay 50 to 100 bucks per side for just a piece of plastic. That's ridiculous. It's an easy project and it's something you can definitely do in your driveway with only one tool. All right guys, that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If it helped you out, if it saved you the money, consider giving me a like. A like is free and I probably saved you at least 100 bucks. So maybe saving you 100 bucks deserves a like, maybe even a subscribe. If you feel like it does, please do those. It really does help my channel out. Helps build my list of followers and that helps motivate me to keep making videos. So until next time, this is Nathan, signing off.